Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create sheet metal part drawing in SolidWorks. So we have this sheet metal part that we made in the previous tutorial that we can use to create uh, sh- its drawing. Uh, sh- Before we work on that, just one thing I would like to say about sheet metal drawings is they are not very different from your other typical drawings, but there is only one key difference, and that is in the case of sheet metal parts we need to create a flat pattern view. Flat pattern view means if we unfold all these bands and convert this into a flat sheet pattern, how it will look like. We have to show that and provide certain dimensions. So that view is unique to that flat pattern view is unique to sheet metal parts, and that's the only difference between sheet metal part drawing and other type of drawings. So having said that, let's open a new drawing file. So new drawing file. Okay. I'm going to use default drawing sheet size, which is a landscape. I'm going to keep it as it is. Okay. And you can see because the part one is open, it's still showing up here. So I'm going to select that, double click on that, and do not click anywhere in the drawing yet. You have to uh, create flat pattern, which is right here in you have to click that, check that box, flat pattern. Okay, and that's gonna put a flat pattern here. Okay, now let's see, uh, if we want hidden lines to be made visible, you can select that box here, hidden lines visible box, and click OK. And now you can see there are already some nodes there. You need to kind of move them little away from the drawing itself. Okay, and let's see what we can do. So what we need to do is select a dimension here. For example, I'm going to select this dimension, and then we can use leader row, and in that leader row I can, right now it says no leader, so I'm going to change it to leader. And you can see and that leader arrow shows up, and I'm going to apply that to all and click OK. uh, I guess I should have done that in the beginning, so it would be applied to all the things, but no problem. You can go ahead and click on each one of them. Leader. Okay, you can also you put a leader there, and finally here. Okay, so we got the leaders there. Now we can make a few changes. For example, in this case here, I'm gonna select that, and there are lots of different types of leader options we have. So I'm going to select this underlined leader here, like that. Okay, same thing I will do for this. I'm going to select the underline leader for that also. Okay, so those two are good. Now let's look at this one here. uh, Once again we can select the underline leader, and I want this text which is vertical, I want to make it horizontal. So to do that I can change the angle here from 90 degree to 0 degree, and you can see that will take care of that. And same thing I want to apply here. Okay, and let's click OK. Let me work on this. I have to change angle for this also, so all these three are done. Now this last one, angle, I need to change it to 0 degree, and that will take care of that. So that's our flat pattern, right? This is something special to sheet metal parts. As I said, uh, we can maybe add a note here. Let's go to annotation, add a note, and here you can type flat pattern view. Okay, so that's that. uh, I guess I accidentally created two of them, so I have to let me create note again here. Flat pattern view and click OK. So there we have it. You can move it a little bit. Okay, now we want to create a couple of other views, so we will work on them. So if we go to drawing option here, and select model view, and we need to create two additional views, as I said, uh, from the same part. And those are, we want a front view, so we can create multiple views. And select the, if we want to create more than one view, you have to check this create multiple views box. And I'm selecting front view and isometric view. These two views are should be created. Okay, and here they are. I'm just gonna move my front view uh, from here to here. Okay, and this is the isometric view that can go in that corner here. Front view can be here. If you want to add hidden lines in the front view, you can do that. uh, if you want to make your isometric view uh, shaded with edges, you can do that. Pictorial representation. And then you can add some dimensions if you want. So smart dimension, let's go to annotation, smart dimension, and let's see. I'm gonna add one dimension here. To that hidden line, I was looking for that hidden line there. From here to that hidden line is 1 inch. Then let's, from this hidden line to this outer edge is 1.5 inch, so we can do that. And maybe we can also define the angle here, which is uh, it's up to you, right? All these dimensions, you can add all the dimensions that you want. I guess I need to clean this here. Okay, and so I'm just going to leave it at that. You can add angle, bending angle if you want. uh, why don't I go ahead and add that angle anyways. That angle there, you can rearrange your dimensions and such. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out of it. So we got this nicely done drawing. You can add a couple of notes. You can write here front view, okay, and you can add a note here. You can call it ISO view or isometric view. And okay, so that completes our sheet metal part drawing. So I will stop here. Thank you.